Where did Angus go? Angus?
No, it's one of those chili dogs. Coolbrook is famous for them.
Are you sure?
Nice to meet you, Mr. Chili Dog. We're hoping to find something cold that we can take back to Nanny. She's ever so hot. Can you help us?
Great! Come on, Saul.
Wow, an icicle. Brrr, it's so cold. That's perfect. Thank you.
Are you sure that chili dog isn't just Angus dressed up? Wait. How did he...
Uh-oh, there's the sun peeking out. We better get this icicle back to Nanny as quick as we can. Aw, the icicle has melted.
What will we do now? We'll need to find something else to keep Nanny Pravina cool.
Mount Cool. Great idea, Angus.
Whoa, that's a long way up.
No problem on our icicle bicycle. Let's get pedaling.
Phew.
Phew. We made it.
Your little legs must be tired from all that pedaling, Angus.
Hello, Mr. Mustard Chili Dog. We're looking for something to cool Nanny down. A box of snow. That'll definitely help cool Nanny down. Thank you so much.
Huh? But how? Oh, I don't know.
We better get back super quick.
Well, at least it's all downhill.
Whee! Whee!
Hey, what's that dripping sound?
Oh no, not again. The sun melted the icicle and now the snow. We're not having much luck in Coolbrook. What can we get to cool Nanny down that won't melt every time?
Look! There might be something at the windy cliffs.
Good thinking, Saul. Let's go. Oh.
Huh? How?
Hello, Mr. Hoodie Chili Dog. We were hoping you could help us. We were wondering if you have anything that would help cool Nanny down. Huh? A bag of Breeze?
It's playing a joke on us. Look at its tail. It's big and bushy, just like a cheeky squirrel.
How cheeky.
Yikes!